Johnson & Johnson agreed to buy Synthes for more than $21 billion. J&J is going to get devices to treat bone fractures and trauma. It's J&J's biggest purchase ever. For more on this blockbuster buy, we bring in Lisa Bedell Clive. She is an analyst with Sanford C. Bernstein. She's joining us from London. She covers Synthes, has a market perform on the stock. Her firm also has a market perform on J&J. Lisa, thanks so much for joining us this morning. 22% premium for Synthes if you go back to April 15th, the day that the press started reporting the possibility of this combination. Is J&J paying too much?
I think if you look at precedent medtech M&E deals, a takeout in this range seems pretty fair. I think it's fair to the Synthes shareholders, and if you look at what has been paid over the last few years, J&J isn't really paying too much. We hadn't expected a price tag to come in any higher than this. I think there is some risk of value leakage if J&J has to divest anything, so that's probably one of the more important things to watch over the next few months.
Lisa, we know that you cover Synthes as well, and some people say there's a lot of aggressive shareholders in this company. Hedge fund managers, for example, who look to buy into stock once they know that there's a possibility the company is in play. Are they going to be happy with this deal? Or from their point of view, should Synthes have gone for a higher price?
It's hard to tell what the minority shareholders are going to do. This is a very unusual situation where you have the chairman of the company, Hans-Jörg Wyss, effectively controlling 48% of the shares. He owns 40 outright. There's another 8% held in a family trust. So I think in this situation, it's a lot harder for the minority shareholders to make a lot of noise. It will come down to the Swiss stock exchange regulations. This is also a company that's actually incorporated in Delaware, so I do think that, while I'm no corporate lawyer, those are some things to consider. But I would be surprised if they could really create a lot of problems here.
All right, and we know the two boards have backed the merger. Lisa, thank you so much. Lisa Bedell Clive joining us there from London on the phone from Sanford C. Bernstein.